Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my April 2020 IPSY Glam Bag Unbagging. I have to say I'm really impressed with how quickly all of my IPSY packages arrived. I already got my Glam Bag Ultimate, which I did an unboxing of that and I can link that video down below. And I also just got my Glam Bag Plus box, so I literally just posted that like a few hours ago. So I will also have that video linked down below. I am very happy with the products I got for the month of April in my IPSY Glam Bag so far. So fingers crossed that this Glam Bag also has great products in it. Oh, I did get a brush that is not fitting inside the Glam Bag. So before I get into this Glam Bag, I should just give a quick explanation that IPSY is a monthly beauty subscription service that's customized to you. So if you get the same products as me in IPSY, then that's really cool because there are so many different variations and it means we have a lot in common because IPSY takes your beauty preferences based off the feedback that you give on your products each month and in a very detailed quiz that you fill out as well. This regular Glam Bag retails for $12 a month. Then they also have the $25 a month version and the $50 version. So I get all three and I will be doing full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products that I get, and then I'll be doing a full face makeup tutorial using all of my April IPSY products. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on all of those videos. And let's see, hopefully I got a product card with information. So here's a card. Oh yes, product information. So this brush is the Luxie 209 Large Shader Summer Days Tan Brush. Retail value of $12. This is the full-size brush. I don't want more brushes from IPSY. I have so many, but this is a cute brush. I love the ombre. Feels soft. I use eyeshadow brushes just like this all the time, so I mean, I'm sure I'll use it, but you know, I'd rather a makeup product. And then let's see what else I got. Ooh. Oh, this is from Seraphine Botanicals, which is a brand that I have come to really love based off of the products that I've tried out from IPSY. This is the Berry Plus Juice Vegan Lip Gel. Ooh. Oh, this is full size, retail value of $19. So that really brings me above the $12 price that I pay for this bag. And this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this. It looks shimmery. Oh, I'm so excited. So IPSY lets you choose one product for each of your glam bags, and I'm pretty sure this was an option that I really wanted to choose, but I chose something different instead. But I'm so glad that I still got this because I love the brand Seraphine Botanicals. It's like a natural makeup brand, and this is a gorgeous shade, and I love shimmery lip products, so I am so excited about this. Let's see what's next. Ooh, Buxom. This is the Buxom Cosmetics Lash Volumizing Mascara in Blackest Black. So this is a sample of the full-size product that's a $22 value, and this is a sample size. The full-size version retails for $22. And I'm excited about this. I have not tried out many Buxom products, but I love mascaras, so this is great to get. And then, ooh, this is from the brand Oriza. Yep, Oriza Beauty Foiler Alert Metallic Eyeshadow in Rosé. Yes, this is the product that I chose, and I didn't realize that I was getting a full-size product. This is the full size, retail value of $25.95. Wow. This might be one of my highest valued IPSY Glam Bags that I've ever received. So this is like a liquid eyeshadow, and I love metallic makeup, so I'm so excited to try this. So I really did choose all eyeshadow products for my IPSY Glam Bags for April. I love that IPSY lets you choose one product each month now. And then the last product here, this is from the brand Hey Honey. I seriously think I get a skincare product from the brand Hey Honey pretty much every single month from IPSY. I mean, I like the products. This one here is Tone It Up, Propolis and Echinacea. Don't know how to pronounce that. Herbal Toner. I have started using a toner again in my skincare routines, and this is a very small amount, so it's a good little travel size. This is a deluxe sample. The full-size version retails for $38. It says it's great for all skin types. It's supposed to balance breakout-prone skin, but also be calming to take down redness. So that really does sound perfect for me because my skin unfortunately has been breaking out. I wonder if it's because of the masks that I'm wearing, because I've been sewing cloth masks, but I'm breaking out on my cheek here and my chin, and my skin had been so good for a while. I mean, knock on wood, I don't want to jinx it, but I hadn't had breakouts for a while, so I was surprised, but maybe this product will help. I also definitely have redness in my skin, so a product that can help reduce redness is exactly what I want. So those are my 5 products. Wow, I'm actually very happy. These are all products that I'm definitely going to use, that I'm excited to use. The only one that I'm just not as excited about is, of course, the brush. I just wish that IPSY would listen to my feedback, because I always put down that I don't want brushes, yet I think I have gotten multiple brushes in my past months of IPSY. So it says that the regular glam bag, which costs $12, is always going to have a value of at least $50. And I absolutely got that. I'm above $50 because the full-size products alone brought me to $56.95, and then I have the 2 samples. So this is a very high value bag, but they're always a very high value. So I'll do a quick recap of what I got. I got the Luxie brush, the Hey Honey Tone It Up Herbal Toner, the Buxom Mascara, the Oritza Foiler Alert Liquid Eyeshadow, and the Seraphine Botanicals Berry and Juice Vegan Lip Gel. So I'm really excited to try those makeup products out in my full dedicated review videos that are part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. If there are any products from my IPSY Glam bags that you are interested to see reviews on first, let me know in the comments down below so that I can put those at the front of my list of products to try out. I also have my BoxyCharm box coming soon, and I'm really excited. I have no idea what I'm getting in that box because I forgot to choose my product. I feel like I'm really good at IPSY. I always choose my product. I always review and get my points on IPSY, but when it comes to BoxyCharm, I just really have no idea what's going on. But that's okay. And of course, I would love to hear in the comments down below what you got in your IPSY Glam bag. And if you've tried any of these products that I got, let me know your thoughts on them. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and I would love it if you would like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.